Give me the respect.
We will pay them even if the work involved is contrary to the Trump policy preferences. In other words, even if it's for work we would not have authorized, if the people had a contract for the work and did it to standard, we're going to pay them regardless. What we were looking for, what Trump was looking for with DOJ, was people who had no contract to get money. Or if they had a contract, they never did the work. Or if they did the work, they did it in such shoddy a manner that it was not to standard and they were not entitled to get paid. Those people were not going to get money.
That's all.
That's all. They were looking for waste, fraud, and abuse. And by the way, Trump ended up paying out billions of dollars on that basis. People who had contracts, did the work, did it to standard, they got paid. And that's what Trump was reviewing when this Judge Ali first ordered him to, no, you're not allowed to do that. I'm going to give you 48 hours to just pay out the billions of dollars without checking for anything.
Don't be giving me none of that bleeding heart Sally Struthers look.
That's where Chief Justice Roberts stepped in to put a halt to Judge Ali's efforts, blocking the 48 hours order. A few weeks later, Chief Justice Roberts said, no, before the 48 hours was over, before Trump had to spend the money by Judge Ali's order, he paused the order. And then a few weeks later, the full Supreme Court sent the case back to Judge Ali with instructions to proceed in a more measured manner. In other words, stop being a retard.
Why are you crying? Maybe she just found out Menudo broke up.
Stop being an activist.
They don't even understand the basics, right? They don't even understand the basics when it comes to their propaganda.
If there's a legally sound path for ordering this money paid, try using that one.
You're always making things difficult.
Shipwrecked Crew writes, in my first article, I noted how Judge Ali had brushed past, without serious consideration, the issues with having even jurisdiction in the case.
Is she right?
Again, federal courts are not courts of universal jurisdiction. They have limited jurisdiction.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
And in fact, Congress has long ago said, if the issue before the court is a contract dispute, the unelected black-robed, tyrannical, inferior federal district trial court judges do not have jurisdiction or authority to hear contract disputes against the government.
Again, it shows you just how out of touch they are, right? They're so out of touch.